Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you've not yet subscribed, make sure you hit on that subscribe button. So fam, today we're going to be doing roasted carp. Do not go away. Welcome back fam. So this is our fish. When I got it from the store, I asked them to take off the scales and actually make the good beautiful lines. Make sure your lines are deep enough. Go ahead and take some paper towel and just pat dry your fish. The next thing we're going to be doing is to put some salt and seasoning cube on our fish. It's always good to do this before you start preparing your ingredients so that the seasoning cube and salt gets into the fish and you have a tasty fish at the end. Once that is done fam, just set your fish aside, let it marinate and let all the salt and seasoning cube get into it. The next thing we're going to be doing is prepping our ingredients. The list of ingredients are going to be listed in the description below. We have parsley, we have leeks, we have onions, we have ginger and garlic, we have basil, and also green and red bell peppers. So not forgetting our black pepper, white pepper, cloves, and all the other ingredients I'm going to list in the description box. Fam, just a quick reminder that the ingredients depend on what you have at hand. Do not go crazy, do not stress yourself looking for all these ingredients I'm using. I'm opportunity to have them around me. So whatever you have, use it and you will still get tasty fish. As long as you put enough seasoning cube and enough salt, ginger and garlic, is going to be perfect. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you're welcome to Nancy's Cuisine. Here we are a family. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that every time I post a video, you will be the first to know. You will definitely love it here. So fam, now that we've blended our spices, we're gonna go ahead and add some vegetable oil in it and go ahead to massage that into our fish. Gently do it, take your time and make sure it goes to every part of your fish. You don't want some part of your fish tasting funny. So go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. While the fish is marinating fam, we're gonna go ahead and cook the remaining spices for about 10 to 15 minutes, which we're gonna use to rub the fish before we throw it into the oven, and also we're gonna use it to serve the fish. With the help of a brush fam, rub a generous amount on your fish, and then you're gonna put it in an oven that has been preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 25 minutes on one side and 20 minutes on the other side, making sure you add more of the marinade halfway through the baking process. There we go fam, our fish is ready. The last thing we're going to be doing is to rub more of the marinade on the fish and also garnish it with some of our favorite vegetables. Then serve hot with either plantain or bobolo and give yourself a treat as usual. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.